set of assorted color cups for my friend who's visiting for her birthday, and they are so cute. I kind of wish I bought them for myself. I think she'll like them. She just moved into a new place, so they'll be useful at the very least. Okay, so today is Thursday. It is Veterans Day weekend starting tomorrow, so I don't have work tomorrow, thank God. And my friend from home that I grew up with in New Jersey is visiting me. Her name's Vivian, and she is one of my oldest and closest friends, so I'm really happy she's coming. She's going to be staying with me from Thursday tonight until Sunday night. So we're gonna have a lot of fun together. It'll also be a pretty packed and busy weekend, but excited to take her around San Francisco. And to the office we go. I stayed at the office pretty late that day, so I was rushing to get back home before my friend arrived from the airport. But I also had a free pizza waiting for me from a Yelp Elite event, so I picked it up before heading home. And I got hungry while waiting for her, so I ate a slice, but she made it and we headed to dinner right after. Friday was her first full day here, so we started it off with my favorite croissants in the world, some coffee, and a walk through Golden Gate Park. Okay, I told her this is the best croissant in America. Okay, but now I'm scared that I hyped it up too much.
No, there's low expectations. There's high expectations.
I've brought a lot of people here, so. Are you doing slow-mo? Okay.
I like it.
Okay.
It's nicely glazed, really nice inside.
Flaky. It's warm too. Oh my God, they're closed.
사랑한다고 말해줬다면 믿어줄 수 있겠니? 넌 오직 상처만 받고 있었지. 미안해 baby, 네가 없는 현실 너무나도 비참해. There's no one 너 같은, 너만 고통받고 있는 게 아니야. 나도 아파야 baby. Baby I owe you means I love you and nothing else will do. Baby I owe you, oh yes I do. An explanation baby, yeah.
I was actually surprised by how interesting I found the plants at the Conservatory of Flowers. And afterwards, we did a quick loop around North Beach and Chinatown before meeting up with some of my friends in Union Square.
Baby, I owe you, oh yes I do. An explanation, baby.
We all took a lovely little stroll together through the Tenderloin to get to a bakery in Hayes Valley to pick up a birthday cake for my friend, and then headed to her surprise birthday dinner in the Mission.
Oh, pretend. Oh, I got that.
San Francisco makes some noise.
Day 2. Day 3?
What? Oh yeah, day 2.
Oh, day 2.5.
2.5.
How was your night last night?
Oh, she brought me to Joshua's favorite club. It's called YOLO. Really good vibes.
Really
you
bad
know.
name.
Yes, really bad name. Very outdated.
Yes. I'm sure all you can hear is like those people screaming
Yeah,
on
I
the
was
mic.
gonna say.
Well, we're going to a coffee festival and we really need it.
I'm starting to think that we do things way too differently to take this seriously. And all of the times that we said we go to therapy, we still never.
We started off our Saturday by meeting up with my friends at the annual SF Coffee Festival, which was a blessing because it really helped wake us up.
Things don't change. I've gotta do better than you for me. You're all about you. All of the things that you do. You're all about you.
The festival was super cute. They had a ton of vendors handing out different samples, and we were able to try mushroom coffee, Oatly ice cream, and mochi waffles, along with a ton of drinks.
I'm starting to live in the moment while you're on cloud 9. Yeah, just take your time. And all of the matching tattoos, I thought we'd earn them. Shit, are these permanent? But things don't change, they stay the same. I've gotta go my own way. Yeah, things don't change. I've gotta do better than you for me. You're all about you. All of the things that you do. You're all about you. On and on and on. Talking on that you do. You're all about you. Yeah, I need something new. On and on and on, talking all night long about.
For dinner, we ate at Daeho, which is my favorite restaurant in SF, and ended the night with games at my friend's place.
It's her last day here.
Today is Sunday. We're going to La Taqueria to meet our high school friend Matt.
High school reunion. And
And
they've
then-
both never had these burritos before.
Yeah,
Even though he lived here, so I don't know
Yeah.
why he didn't try them, but
Yes, but I'm looking forward to it because all the food wrecks have been very good.
oh.
That's right. You and your gentle monster sunglass. Oh, you are a Mountain Dew. Okay, that's like pretty nice though.
Yummy. Oishi. Oh my god, did they run out? Oh my god.
We walked to Salt and Straw after to try the Thanksgiving specials. They did run out of the turkey flavor, which was what we really wanted to try, but unfortunately they were all sold out. But they did have everything else.
Yeah, ours too. Okay, what do we get? Pumpkin, ginger snap.
Since it was her last day in SF, I couldn't let her leave without seeing a good view of the Golden Gate. So we drove to China Beach, and it was also my first time there. In my opinion, the view from the Presidio is better, but it was pretty secluded here, which was nice.
Go guys, go, go, go. Oh, this is so cool.
We're gonna try the salted egg cereal chocolate. It says very addictive and not good for sharing, and it says enjoy by November 2022, so we need to eat it. I just saw that part.
The salted egg part hits you a little after.
Oh, whoa, there's like a ton of things in here.
It's not bad, actually. The more I eat it, I'm like, oh. But I actually really like salted egg, though.
Oh, me too. But if I ate this and you didn't tell me it was salted egg, I would be like, oh, salted egg. Not bad though. And for our last meal together, we went to Dumpling Home. We actually ended up waiting over an hour for a table and cut it pretty close to her flight, but we were both craving dumplings and I'd say it was totally worth it.
We technically waited like over 2 hours for the
I had such a good time showing my friend around over the past couple of days, and I feel like it made me view the city through a new lens. Living here day to day, it's easy to forget that it's such a special city. So I'm glad I was able to take this weekend to reset and appreciate everything that SF has to offer.
All you want, so I got